Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable the developer options on Samsung Galaxy S21, and the method is the same also for 21 Plus and Ultra. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy, just go to all apps and tap on settings, and here go down. And we have here about phone. Just tap here and go to software information, and we have here build number. Now you must tap for 7 times on build number. Let's do it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and developer mode has been turned on. Now let's go back and again back and go down, and here is the developer options. I hope you see it, and let's tap on this, and from here you can do some hidden settings, and you can turn on OEM Unlock, stay awake, USB Debugging and other things. And if you want to turn it off, just press here and the developer option will be hidden from your menu. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.